friends, today we will solve question number 4 of exercise 6.3. The question is, find the square roots of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So let's start. Part A, 729. One vertical line, one horizontal line. Now we'll check that is 729 divided by 2 can be divided by 2? No. Can it be divided by 3? Yes. Here we will write 729. 3 we get 243. Can 243 be divided by 3? Yes. We will get 81. Now 81 can be divided by 3. Yes or no? Yes. It can be. We will get 27. 27 when divided by 3, we get 9. When 9 divided by 3, we get 3 and 3 left. Now write all these numbers here in multiplication. 3 Now make pairs of 2. Now, how many pairs have you made? 3. 3 will come down. Now we will multiply and write the answer here. 3 into 3 into 3. We get 27. This is the answer. Now let's come to next part, which is 400. We will write 400 here. 400 can be divided by 2 and we get 200. 200 when divided by 2, we get 100. When 100 divided by 2, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. 25 divided by 5, 5. Write all these numbers here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 5. Now make pairs. 2, 2 and 5. Multiply sign. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So friends, 20 is our answer. Now let's come to part C, that is 1764. Now let's check whether it can be divided by 2. First we will see that the units placed must be an even number, so that it must be divided by 2. 1764 can be divided by 2. We get 882. Okay. Now let's divide this number again with 2. We will get 441. Now it can't go on 2. Now we will try on 3. Yes, it will go 3. 147. Now 147 divided by 3, 49. Now we get 49. We know that 49 is the square of 7. We can simply write 7. Yeah. Now we will write all these numbers here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Make pairs. 2, 3, 7. 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. 42 is the answer. Part D is 4096. 6 is an even number, so it will go on the table of 2. We will be left with 2048. 8 is an even number, so it will also go on 2, and we will get 1024. Right to here. 1024 divided by 2 is equal to 512. 512 will also go on 2. We will get 256. 256 again on 2. We will get 128. Again divided by 2. We get 64. Again it can be divided by 2. We will get 32. Then again when divided by 2 we get 16. Again on 2, 8. 2 divided 4. Now we finally get the number 2. We will count all these 2 and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we will make pairs. We have 6 pairs. So we will write the number 2 6 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 64 is the answer. Friends, in the same way we will solve part 5th, that is 7744. The answer will be 88. Part 6, 9604. The answer will be 98. Part 7, 77. Part 8, 96. So friends, in the same way you have to solve the other questions. Thank you.